Welcome to Teacher B. Can you solve this geometry challenge? Find T, Y, and angle ADC using cyclic quadrilateral, isosceles triangle, and rhombus properties. In the question, we were given that ABCD is a circle with center O and OBCD is a rhombus and angle ADO is equal to Y and angle OBA is equal to Y. So we can say angle ADO equal to angle OBA equal to Y. And also angle BAD is equal to T. Angle BAD equal to T. And we were given that we should find the value of T. So T is unknown, also Y is unknown, and angle ADC, angle ADC is unknown. First, let us consider this cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. And in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are equal to 180 degrees. That means that angle BAD plus angle BCD are equal to 180 degrees. Angle BAD plus angle BCD equal to 180 degrees. And angle BAD is given as T. So let us substitute T into this equation. T plus angle BCD equal to 180 degrees. And let us transpose T to the right hand side. And we are going to have angle BCD equal to 180 degrees minus T. Also, let us find angle at the center, which is angle BOD. From the diagram, you will notice that angle BAD and angle BOD stands on the same arc BD. And according to angle at the center theorem, which says that angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. That means that our angle BOD is equal to 2 multiplied by angle BAD. So we can say angle BOD equal to 2 multiplied by angle BAD. And our angle BAD is given as T. So we can replace BAD with T. So angle BOD equal to 2 multiplied by T. Let us consider this quadratic rhombus OBCD, and opposite angles of rhombus are equal to each other. That means angle BOD is equal to angle BCD. Angle BOD is equal to angle BCD. Our angle BOD is 2T and angle BCD is 180 degrees minus T. So 2t equal to 180 degree minus t. So let us transpose t to the left hand side, and this negative sign will change to positive. So we are going to have 2t plus t equal to 180 degree. 2t plus t will give us 3t equal to 180 degree. Let us divide both sides by 3 over 3 over 3, and t equal to 60 degree. Now let us find our center angle BOD. So angle BOD equal to 2 multiplied by 60 degree. Angle BOD equal to 120 degree. That means this angle is equal to 120 degree. Now let us consider triangle BOD. In this triangle BOD, our OB is equal to OD because they are radii of a circle. So we can say triangle BOD is an isosceles triangle, and base angle of isosceles triangle are equal. So we can say angle OBD is equal to angle ODB, and let both equal to x. So this angle is x and this angle is x. An algebraic sum of interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means that we can say angle BOD and x plus x is equal to 180 degree, plus x plus x equal to 180 degree. Our angle BOD is 120 degree. So let us substitute it into this equation. 120 degree plus x will give us 2x. 2x equal to 180 degree. Let us transpose 120 degree to the right hand side, and we are going to have 2x equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, and 2x equal to 60 degree. Divide both sides by 2 to determine the value of your x. Over 2 over 2, x equal to 30 degree. So our angle OBD and ODB is equal to 30 degree. Let us find the value of y by considering triangle ABD, and sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means that angle BAD, angle ABD, and angle ADB is equal to 180 degree. So angle BAD plus angle ABD plus angle ADB equal to 180 degree. From the diagram, I want you to note that angle ABD is y plus x, and also angle ADB is y plus x. So let us substitute them into this equation and also our t. T plus y plus x plus y plus x equal to 180 degree. But we have already gotten the value of our t and x. The value of t is 60 degree and x is 30 degree. So let us substitute them into this equation. 60 degree plus y plus 30 degree plus y plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. 60 degree plus 30 degree will give us 90 degree, plus 30 degree will give us 120 degree. Y plus y will give us 2y. So 120 degree plus 2y equal to 180 degree. So let us transpose 120 degree to the right hand side, and the positive sign will change to negative. So we are going to have 2y equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. 2y equal to 60 degree. Divide both sides by 2 to get the value of your y. Over 2 over 2, y equal to 30 degree. That means the value of our y equal to 30 degree. Now let us determine our angle ADC. And before we know our angle ADC, we must calculate angle BDC. And I want you to know that opposite angles of rhombus are equal to each other, which means that angle BOD is equal to angle BCD. So angle BCD equal to 120 degree. Another properties of rhombus is that all sides are equal. Therefore, I can say this line is equal to this line, which makes CBD to be an isosceles triangle, and base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. So therefore, I can say this place should be denoted with W, and also this place should be denoted with W. And sum of interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree, which follows that angle BCD plus W plus W is equal to 180 degree. W plus W equal to 180 degree. Our angle BCD is 120. W plus W will give us 2W. So 120 degree plus 2W equal to 180 degree. So let us transpose 120 to the right hand side. We are going to have 2W equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. 2W equal to 60 degree. So let us divide both sides by 2. Over 2 over 2, W equal to 30 degree. So our angle ADC is the summation of y, x, and W. So angle ADC equal to y plus x plus w. The value of our x is 30 degree, the value of our y is 30 degree, and the value of our w is 30 degree. So let us substitute them into this equation. Angle ADC equal to 30 degree plus 30 degree plus 30 degree. Angle ADC equal to 90 degree. So the value of our t is 60 degree, the value of our y is 30 degree, and our angle ADC is 90 degree. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more geometry tricks. Thank you.